We are going to talk about some vocabulary words to understand our Read Aloud video that is based on this YouTube movie or story. Okay, our first word is neighbor. A neighbor is someone who lives next door to you, next door. A neighbor can be one person or a family. And neighbors can live in apartments or houses. Okay, neighbors, someone who lives close to you. Okay, our next word is apartment. Okay, apartment. These are apartment buildings. An apartment building has many apartments. In each apartment, one family or maybe one person lives. Sometimes in an apartment, you have a roommate. A roommate is someone who is maybe not your family, but someone that you live with. These girls are roommates. Many times in college or university, people will have a roommate. Okay, our next word is hallway. These are hallways. A hallway is a space in a house where you just go to another room. Now, in an apartment building, hallways connect. Hallways connect different apartments. Okay, so in an apartment building, a hallway is a public place. But in a house, a hallway is not a public place. Okay, our next word is elevator. An elevator is what you use to go to a higher floor. Okay, this is an elevator. You can go up or you can go down in an elevator. Okay. Another word is to join. When you join something, you participate in the group. You become a part of the group. To join. To join. To participate is a synonym. To join. Okay, another word is to invite. When you invite someone, you are saying, come over, come visit, come be with us. You can invite someone to a birthday party. Okay, to invite. And our last word is friendly. Okay, someone who is friendly says hi. Okay, they look at you, they pay attention to you, they are nice and kind. Friendly, friendly. So it is nice to have friendly neighbors. Friendly neighbors. Okay, so those are some of our words. Neighbor, apartment building, roommate, hallway, elevator, to join, to invite, and friendly. Now, I found these pictures by going to images.google.com. I like using images.google.com to look up new words. Okay? All right. So, which word is where many families live or where many people live. Do you know which word is where many families live? Is it?
Apartment.
Yes, good. In an apartment building. Many families live in an apartment building. It's okay. You can answer my questions. What is the part of a building that people can use to go up or down to different floors?
Elevators.
Good job. It's an elevator. An elevator. What do you call?
Mom.
Yes.
I was gonna take a note. Those.
Wait, can we finish our video and then can you ask me that question?
Yeah.
Do you want to answer my questions? You don't have to.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. What do you call? You're doing such a good job. What do you call the person who lives next door to you?
Neighbor.
Good job. A neighbor. Okay. What do you do if you want your friend to come to your birthday party?
Invite them.
You invite them.
And bring them a card.
You bring them a card. You give them an invitation. Oh. Okay. So your friend says yes.
Mine?
And we're imagining. Your friend says yes. I will come. Then the word we can use is our friend will join.
How does Connor even know the way to our house?
Well, if they come to our house, they need to know how to get to our house. Okay, what is the word for someone who lives with you, but maybe they're not family? This might be hard for you. Who did I live with in college? I lived with a...
Grandma.
Oh, no, I didn't live with Grandma. I lived with... Good guess, though. I lived with a roommate. Okay. Oh, okay. Someone who... Okay, this is a characteristic. Okay. It describes someone who says hi, someone who waves to you. What is that person like? It's the opposite of mean. It's a characteristic. What word is a characteristic?
Like friendly.
Friendly.
I was gonna say like neighbors.
Oh, like our neighbors. Yes, we do have friendly neighbors. Okay, and one more. What is the space in a house that you walk through to get to another room?
Hallway.
Good, a hallway. Good job, buddy. High five. High five. You're so smart.
To anybody.
All right. Those are our vocabulary words to help us understand our read-aloud video.
Skip some words.
I think I got them all. Which one did I skip?
You forgot the ones down here.
I got them. We're gonna stop our video now.
Wait, how are you doing that's not down here?
Oh, I did them. Okay, all done.
You should have